Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all doing well. My name is Salman and this is my friend.
And my name is Mustaqim.
And my name is Muhammad Isar.
Tonight we're going to unboxing the charity from someone and I really wondering what this charity inside. Okay, now we would like to unboxing.
Oh, sure.
For the first, we would like to unboxing for the white plastic. Oh, we got the snake fruit here.
Wow, snake fruit.
This called snake fruit. And
Can I have one, please?
yes, you can have one.
Wow.
And the second one is,
We have a rambutan.
yeah, we have the rambutan. This fruit called rambutan. And now we would like to tell you how it tastes look like. Can you try it?
Yes, sure, why not?
Maybe you can try the snake fruit.
Oh, yes, please.
You first.
I'm looking forward to eat this.
And now my friend would like to tell you how the taste look like.
So
Because-
I'm going to taste how is rambutan look like. So let us taste this first. Wow, it's very nice. It's so sweet. This rambutan is so sweet. I think this is the best rambutan ever.
Is that the taste of rambutan?
Yes, the taste of rambutan is so sweet.
So that is the taste of the rambutan. The taste of rambutan is so sweet.
Wow.
And now I would like to ask to my friends, how is the taste for the snake fruit? Hello sir.
Yes,
How
please.
is the taste of snake fruit?
I think it's so sweet. As what I felt before, as soon as I eat this, my mind think, wow, it's brilliant. It's so fantastic.
Wow.
Can I see rambutan
Yes, please.
inside?
Right? Yes, please. There we go. This is our rambutan and
And
this
this
is
is-
our snake fruit.
That's right.
We have got two fruit tonight. For the first is snake fruit. We have a snake fruit, and the second one we have a rambutan. So tonight we are eating snake fruit and also rambutan. And my friend already tried it and they already tasted how is the taste of rambutan and also snake fruit. My friend told to all of you the rambutan taste is so sweet and also the taste of snake fruit is so sweet. So both of these fruits
Delicious.
are delicious.
That's right.
And that's all from us. We hope you can taste the snake fruit too.
And also the rambutan.
rambutan.